But in physics, we do not say this as a work, because from scientific point of view, work is said to be done when a force applied on an object causes displacement of the object. You can see the definition. And work, it is said to be done. Work is said to be done. That is the definition of work. Thus, we can say that work is equal to force into displacement. Work, W is given by force into displacement. In another way, we can say that work is scalar product of force and displacement. What do you mean by scalar product? That is, W is equal to F into S into cos theta, where theta is the angle made by force with the direction of displacement. Now, if there is no displacement, no work is done. So there will be zero work done. For example, someone wants to push a heavy, huge stone, but he cannot move. Force is applied in large quantity, but displacement is zero, and in that case we say that no work is done. Now, for that purpose, we must know what is the angle made by force and direction of displacement. Suppose this is an object O and I will pull it along the direction 1, force 1. Now, it will displace along the same direction. And therefore, in this case, the direction of force and direction of displacement is same. And therefore, work is equal to F into S, where we can say force into displacement. As much quantity of force is there, so much quantity of, and as much quantity of displacement is there, we can make a product. But in this case, look, direction of displacement is horizontal one, but force is not horizontal one. That is, force has made some angle between the direction of displacement and direction of force. Here, the force is not completely utilized for the displacement, and therefore we say that work is product of force and displacement into cos theta. What is cos theta? This is the angle made by force with displacement is cos theta. To understand better, here we study about the vectors. Vector has direction, and if we consider xy plane, Cartesian plane, in that case every vector can be explained as sum of two forces. One force is x in the direction of x, and another force is in the direction of y. Suppose this is 3 Newton force and this is 4 Newton force, then resultant force will be 5 Newton force in this direction. Did you get this? Now, if this force is applied to move an object O from origin in this direction, in that case, only this 4N force is applicable along the x direction. Or if this force is used to move an object in vertical direction, only this 3N force is applicable to move the object in y direction. And therefore, here the angle between force and displacement is important. Thus, Work done is product of force into displacement into cos theta, where theta is the angle between force and displacement. Now what is the value of cos theta for different angles? For theta is equal to 0, cos theta is equal to 1. For theta is equal to 90, cos theta is equal to 0. And for theta is equal to 180, cos theta is equal to minus 1. This gives that when force and displacement are in same direction, work done is maximum. That is maximum. When force and displacement are in opposite direction, work done is minimum. That is negative work. And when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, in that case, work done is equal to F dot S into 0, that is equal to 0. So, no work is done. Where can we use this? Where can we use this? We can use in it many examples. Generally, all the forces do positive work. But when we apply the brake, the direction of force is opposite to direction of displacement. And in that case, negative work is done. Whenever there is frictional force, which always works in opposite direction, and therefore frictional force always does a negative work. Now, what about zero work? Zero work can be done in three different ways. Number one, when force is zero. Number two, when displacement is zero. That is for zero work. F is equal to 0 or S is equal to 0 or F is perpendicular to displacement or F is perpendicular to displacement. Where can we find such examples? Force is equal to 0. That is whenever an object is moving in frictionless medium, in that case force is 0 and in that case work done is 0, whatever displacement may be there. For example, or the artificial satellites, planets are moving in the space and there is no friction. Because of that, work done is, force is 0 and hence work done is also 0. When displacement is 0, when we apply large force on but the object do not move, for example, if we want to push a wall or push earth, in that case, no work will be done because wall or earth is not going to move a little bit. Force is perpendicular to displacement. This is most important example. We know that moon, all the satellites, all the planets are moving around the sun and earth in circular orbit. And in that case, the force is directed toward the center, whereas motion displacement is along the tangent of the circle. And those are tangent and radius are always perpendicular to each other. And therefore, in that case, force will be always perpendicular to displacement. Hence, at every point of motion, no work will be done because force is always perpendicular to the displacement. Thank you.